All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new unboxing, a new product. The name of this is Amuliss, AMULISS, and the model number is JM-700AL. I am kind of breathing hard right now because I'm really excited about these T-blades. I really need it. As y'all can clearly see, I'm trying to keep my hair low. And I am going to do a review on this after I charge this up as well, so y'all can kind of, maybe see how it sounds or how it actually cuts. So this is the box right here. I'm kind of zooming in for y'all. It kind of looks like this, and then the side right there. And once again, the model number is JM-700AL. Those of y'all that are searching for this, Amuliss. It says it got DC and rechargeable hair clipper. It takes 2 hours to charge it up. It lasts as long as 180 hours. One thing that caught my attention with these particular T-blade trimmer is that it has an indicator light that tells you how much it's charged up, which will come in handy when you use it, on a weekly basis. You'll be able to know, okay, it's getting low now, and it's about that time to charge it up. So I'm going to open it up now. It says on the side it has a powerful motor, streamlined design. It has a keen capacity battery, and I already told y'all about the power indicator light. So here we go. Very unique way of opening the box. I love this. Wow, look at that. It just kind of slides out. It got a nice packaging to it. Box to it says hair trimmer on the box. Hair trimmer on the box. Wow. So we open it up like this, and it looks like this. And the inside, I haven't unboxed it yet. You got this plastic cover handy thingy, and I'm about to unbox this now. Wow. So basically the clipper, I would say it is, I think because it's metal, it is heavier than I anticipated it. For a T-blade trimmer, it's on the heavy side, but don't let that scare y'all away, because that actually could be a good thing. That actually could be a good thing. Yeah, don't let it scare y'all away. That could be a great thing, because that means that the battery, is really good, and this could last a while too. Oh wow, it has a cover. Now I bought some other T-blade trimmers before, and this is the first pair that actually has a cover on the top. So I think that's unique, and that's something different right there. The power button is right here. And I don't know if they charged it up. Oh yeah, they did. So I can actually test these out right now. As y'all can clearly see, it says 99. So it's 99 right now, which is, I'm assuming it's fully charged. So maybe 99 is as high as it can go. Now I got it turned on right now. It feels powerful. Like it feels like a really powerful motor. Like they said on the box, it feels like a powerful motor. But now I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I can't say this. It's not really loud, but it is louder than what I was anticipating. But it's not loud at all. I just think that's the power of the motor, which is, like I said, once again, that's a really great thing. So it's already charged up. Let me show y'all what's inside the rest of the box. Okay, we have the power adapter. Obviously, you can hook it up right here. So this is the power adapter. It got some trimmer sizes that you want to use different sizes. You can. And then obviously it has it's a manual in here. The Precision Beard Trimmer User Manual for the Amuliss JM-700AL right here. Yeah, it's just a little short manual telling you, how to plug it up and everything. But yeah, There is one more thing that I have to say. Um, Now I know these are T-blade clippers. I'm very curious to see how sharp they are because I bought some T-blade clippers trimmers before, and based on what I've seen online, I thought that these were a little bit smaller than this. But hey, looks can be deceiving. We shall see, how sharp these are. I hope y'all enjoyed this reaction, to this unboxing of the Amuliss model number JM-700AL. Once again, I'm going to test these out, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to let y'all know how did these new T-blade trimmers do. Alright, y'all. Wow, I must say, and I must confess, these are the real deal. I was getting a little worried and concerned. I had some concern. As y'all can clearly see, I did test them out, and it got my head it's looking much lower now. But these are really the truth. It comes off. It don't really look, it don't look sharp. But like I told y'all, looks can be deceiving. When I actually turned them on, was cutting my hair, I noticed like, wow, I don't feel anything. And typically, when you have clippers, I don't know about y'all, when you have clippers and you cut your hair, you don't feel anything. You don't have that. It don't feel sharp. You think, okay, like, these clippers ain't that sharp because they don't even feel sharp. But as I was actually cutting, I'm like, it's cutting really low. That's a sign of a really good clipper. One that don't necessarily hurt your head, but it cuts really low. So this is the truth right here. It's the real deal. And like I always do, I always give y'all honest reviews. I would recommend y'all get these. By the way, make sure you use this, this brush after you get finished. I typically use my own brush that I have, but yeah, it comes with a brush you can use to kind of go over any excessive hair that you have that could be in the inside, to save the longevity of the blade. So I hope y'all enjoyed this review and unboxing. Check it out. This is good. And it is the truth.